9 years ago, Richard Otto was elevated to a major general by the UPDF.
Is not just the pleasure of the commander-in-chief only, it is added responsibility. So more weight has been put on your shoulders, and I hope and pray, and I also am confident that you have sturdy legs to be able to carry that battle.
3 years ago, President of Uganda, Yoweri Museveni, deployed the soft-spoken Major General Don Nabassa to command UPDF in Somalia. This was to replace Richard Otto, whose mission had already completed from Somalia.
And Kent. Soon there will be colonels, full colonel, but commanding officer, lieutenant colonel. Therefore, if they are on the same rank, which is a mistake in the first place, a director is senior to a commanding officer. If you are on the same rank, which is a mistake, you are not supposed to be on the same rank. So, kutaniana na womba tuiwache. That's it. Because I have heard about it on several occasions, kwamba watu walikuwa wanataniana, which is not very good. For us in the military, we don't taniana at all. Because we mainly have 3 parameters that we follow in the military to recognize it.
So now the question is, who is Major General Richard Otto, who has just been elevated? Let's get to his profile. Major General Richard Otto is a military officer in the Uganda's People's Defense Forces. He is the commanding officer of the 3rd Army Division of the UPDF based in Moroto. He was appointed to that position in May 2017. Before that, he served as the commander of the offensive against the Lord's Resistance Army, or the LRA. What you must know about Richard Otto is he was born in the northern region of Uganda in 1960s, so his exact place is not well captivated. Now, another insight about Richard is also he's a regional task force to neutralize, kill or capture the Ugandan fugitive Joseph Kony was established in 2012. The force was supposed to be 5,000 troops strong, with units from the African countries terrorized by Kony and his guerrilla force, the LRA. Brigadier Dick Ulum, at the rank of colonel, was selected as first commander of that force. However, we must remember the force turned out to be composed entirely of Ugandan soldiers. The other countries, South Sudan, Democratic Republic of Congo, and Central African Republic, beset by domestic instability and in some cases outright civil war, were unable to send troops or quickly withdraw the ones assigned to the mission. The mission failed to secure donor funding, and Uganda ended up funding the entire mission on its own. Later, Richard Otto, at the rank of colonel, took command of the entire LRA anti-troops, the anti-LRA troops. They were joined by a 100 troops strong contingent from the United States military in non-combative roles. In April 2017, the mission was closed and the Ugandan and American troops were relocated to other missions. Again, in October 2017, the president of Uganda, Yoweri Museveni, and Commander-in-Chief sent Richard Otto, now at the rank of brigadier, by that time, in 2017, to replace Dick Prit Olum as the head of the UPDF 3rd Division in Moroto. Olum was dispatched to Kinshasa as Uganda's defense attaché to DR Congo. That is what you need to know about Afande Olum. And also, as I said, fresh, Museveni has appointed Otto as the new Operation Shujaa. And what you need to know is Otto, at the rank of colonel, took command of the anti-LRA, as I had said before, and they were joined by 100 troops. So this is something which is so clear. President Museveni has appointed General Richard Otto as the new commander of Mountain Division and consequently commander Operation Shujaa, a joint operation by Uganda People's Defense Force and Armed Forces of the Democratic Republic of Congo, that is FARDC, against the allied defense. Sorry for the collapse of the tablet. Against the Allied Democratic Forces, or the ADF in DR Congo. So he replaces Major General Dick Olum, who has been sent to South Sudan stabilization mechanism, where Major General Otto has been representing Uganda. South Sudan stabilization mechanism monitors the implementation of the peace process on behalf of Uganda as a guarantor of the peace agreement. That is what you need to know. Thank you so much, and I wish you a nice time as you continue watching Acholi Pro Evo TV channel.